नमस्ते बच्चों, आज हम हिंदी का नया पाठ पढ़ेंगे। इस पाठ का नाम है सच्ची दोस्ती। सो हियर सच्ची मीन्स ट्रू एंड दोस्ती मीन्स फ्रेंडशिप. सो दिस story is about a turtle and a fox. They were best friends. Now let's start this chapter. So you can see first we have kathin shabd, that means difficult words. So the first one is dosti. Dosti means friendship. Next one daboch. Daboch means to catch. Third one mulayam. Mulayam means soft. Fourth one namrata, that means humbleness. Next one sacha, that means true. And the last one maharaj. Maharaj means king. Now let's start reading this chapter. I'm going to read it and you have to listen the pronunciations very carefully. So the first line, एक नदी में एक कछुआ रहता था, उसी नदी के किनारे एक लोमड़ी रहती थी, दोनों में दोस्ती हो गई। शाम को दोनों एक साथ खेलते, खाते और मस्ती करते थे। नेक्स्ट लाइन, एक दिन दोनों नदी किनारे टहल रहे थे, उसी समय वहाँ एक भूखा शेर आ गया। उसे देखते ही दोनों अपनी जान बचाने के लिए दौड़ पड़े, लेकिन कछुआ तेजी से नहीं चल सकता था, अतः वह शीघ्र जल के भीतर नहीं जा पाया। शेर ने पीछे से आकर कछुए को दबोच लिया। Now let's understand the meaning of few words here. So here एक नदी, that means one river, में एक कछुआ रहता था। तो एक कछुआ means one turtle, रहता था means was living there. So the meaning is a turtle lived in a river. Next line, उसी नदी के किनारे एक लोमड़ी रहती थी. So here नदी के किनारे means banks of the river. एक लोमड़ी means a fox. रहती थी means was living. So the meaning is that a fox lived on the bank of the same river. Next line, दोनों में दोस्ती हो गई. So here dono means both of them and dosti means friendship. The meaning is that both of them became friends. शाम को दोनों एक साथ खेलते, खाते और मस्ती करते थे. So here शाम means evening, एक साथ means together, खेलते they used to play, खाते they used to eat together, masti means they used to have fun together. So the meaning is that in the evening, both of them used to play together, eat together and they used to have fun together. Next line, एक दिन दोनों नदी किनारे टहल रहे थे. So here किनारे means banks of the river and टहल means they were walking. So the meaning is one day both were walking along the river. Next line, उसी समय वहाँ एक भूखा शेर आ गया. So here bhuka means hungry and sher means lion. So at that same time a hungry lion arrived there. Next line, उसे देखते ही दोनों अपनी जान बचाने के लिए दौड़ पड़े. So here जान means life, बचाने means to save, दौड़ means run. So the meaning is that on seeing the lion, both of them ran to save their life. लेकिन कछुआ तेजी से नहीं चल सकता था. So the meaning of लेकिन is but, तेजी means speed, नहीं means no and चल means walk. So the turtle was not able to walk very fast. अतः वह शीघ्र जल के भीतर नहीं जा पाया. So here अतः means that is, शीघ्र means speed and जल के भीतर means inside the water. So the meaning is that he couldn't go inside or under the water soon or at once. Next line, अतः वह शीघ्र जल के भीतर नहीं जा पाया. So here अतः means that is, शीघ्र means speed, जल के भीतर means under water. So the meaning is that he could not go अंडर वाटर सून और एट वंस। नेक्स्ट लाइन, शेर ने पीछे से आकर कछुए को दबोच लिया। पीछे मीन्स बिहाइंड, आकर मीन्स केम, and दबोच means to catch. So the meaning is that the lion came from behind and caught the turtle. Next paragraph, कछुए को पैरों से दबाए हुए शेर एक वृक्ष के नीचे आराम से बैठ गया। शेर कछुए के सख्त ऊपरी हिस्से को अपने तेज नाखून एवं दांत से चीर नहीं पा रहा था। शेर को ऐसी कोशिश करते हुए लोमड़ी देख रही थी। नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ फ्यू वर्ड्स हियर। कछुए को पैरों से दबाए, सो हियर पैरों मीन्स फुट, दबाए मीन्स टू प्रेस। एक वृक्ष मीन्स अ ट्री। आराम से बैठ गया मीन्स sat comfortably. So the meaning is that the lion sat comfortably under a tree and he pressed the turtle with its feet. Next line, शेर कछुए के सख्त ऊपरी हिस्से को अपने तेज नाखून एवं दांत से चीर नहीं पा रहा था। So here सख्त means hard, ऊपरी means upper, हिस्से means part. So the hard upper part of the turtle. तेज नाखून means sharp nails and दांत means teeth. So the meaning is that the lion was unable to get the hard upper part of the turtle with its sharp nail and teeth. Next one, शेर को ऐसी कोशिश करते हुए लोमड़ी देख रही थी। So here कोशिश means trying and देख रही थी means was seeing. So the fox was seeing the lion doing this. Next paragraph, लोमड़ी बड़ी चालाक थी। So here लोमड़ी means fox, बड़ी means very and चालाक means clever. अपने मित्र को बचाने के लिए उसे एक उपाय सूझा। So here उपाय means a solution. वह छिपे हुए स्थान से धीरे धीरे बाहर निकली। So छिपे हुए means the place where it was hiding and स्थान means place. धीरे धीरे means slowly slowly. So the meaning of these two lines are लोमड़ी बड़ी चालाक थी, that means the fox was very clever. अपने मित्र को बचाने के लिए उसे एक उपाय सूझा. The meaning is the fox cleverly figured out a way to save the turtle. वह छिपे हुए स्थान से धीरे धीरे बाहर निकली. So the fox slowly came out of the hiding place. Next line, वह दूर से ही शेर से नम्रता पूर्वक बोली. So नम्रता पूर्वक means humbleness and बोली means said. दूर से means from far. So the meaning is she spoke humbly to the lion from far. Now let's see what she said. शेर महाराज, that means king lion, कछुए की खाल को तोड़ने का उपाय मैं बताऊं. That means shall I tell you the solution to break the hard upper part of the turtle? Next line, शेर बोला, lion said, ठीक है, that means okay, जल्दी बोलो, that means speak quickly. Next line, चालाक लोमड़ी बोली, so the clever fox said, अगर कछुए को थोड़ी देर पानी में डाल दो तो उसकी खाल मुलायम हो जाएगी. So here agar means if. So the meaning is if you put the turtle in water for a while, its skin will become soft. Next paragraph. शेर ने कछुए को तुरंत पानी के किनारे रख दिया. So here तुरंत word means immediately. So after hearing this, the lion immediately placed the turtle on the water's edge, that means banks of the river. कछुआ सरकता हुआ नदी के गहरे पानी में चला गया. So here the turtle moved into the deep water of the river. इस तरह चालाक लोमड़ी ने अपने मित्र की जान बचाई. So is tarah means this way, and mitra means friend, jaan bachai means saved life. So this way the clever fox saved his friend's life, that is the turtle's life. Last line, कष्ट में काम आने वाला ही सच्चा मित्र है. So कष्ट means in difficulties. So the meaning is that a true friend is who help each other during difficult times. So this is a story of a fox and a turtle and their friendship. So the moral value of the story is that the true friends are those who help each other in difficult times. Now let's move on to the Shabdarth, that means word meaning, in page number 67. You can see here the words Kachwa means tortoise or turtle, Lomdi fox, Masti enjoy, Kinare shore, Chalak clever, Sher lion, Bhuka hungry, Daboch to grapple or to catch, Shigra at once. Next one, Paryavachi Shabd. So here the first one, Kinara, Tat. Kinara means banks of the river. Dabochna, to grapple or to catch. The word is Dabana. Shigra means quickly or immediately. Paryavachi Shabd, Turant. Next one, Mulayam means soft. Paryavachi Shabd, Kobal. Pani means water, Jal. Mitra, friend. The Paryavachi Shabd, Dost. Next is Vilom Shabd. The words are Jaldi means fast. The opposite one is Dheeme, that means slow. Next one, Mitra. So Mitra means friend and Shatru means enemy. Next word, Mulayam means soft and Kada means hard. Last one, Teek, that means right. Opposite word is Galat, that means wrong. You have to write all the Kathin Shabd, Shabdarth, Paryavachi Shabd, Vilom Shabd in your notebook with proper date and chapter number. Here you can see an activity. You have to read the first 5 lines of the story, record it and submit in Microsoft Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. धन्यवाद.